Hey y'all, Nova J Beauty here. Now first things first, you guys are going to need some fenugreek powder. You're also going to need some oil. I'm using sweet almond today. And a jar. First, I'm just going to scoop about a tablespoon of fenugreek powder into the jar. Fenugreek is a super herb. It has so many benefits for the hair, skin, and body, and can even help you achieve those dream curves. So now we need to pour enough oil in the jar to cover up all the fenugreek. Mix it all up. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. I'm just going to give the jar a shake to get all the rest of that fenugreek incorporated. And now I'm just going to place it in a pot of water on low for a few hours. After a few hours, we're going to take out our oil and then we're going to set it aside for a few days to further infuse. While we're waiting, we're going to have us a cup of herbal tea because we're achieving perfect skin from the inside and the out. Alright, it's been a few days, and as you can see, our oil has turned a beautiful golden color from that fenugreek. Now we're going to turn this into an amazing body cream. So first, we're just going to scoop out a small portion of this Vaseline. The amount really is determined by how much cream you want to make. And then I'm just going to pour off some of this oil off the top, being careful not to get the powder mixed in. A little doesn't hurt, but we don't want our cream to be too gritty. We want it to be nice and smooth. The reason why I chose sweet almond oil today is not only because I have it on hand, but because it helps moisturize the skin, it improves the skin tone, and it can reverse sun damage. As you mix, you'll notice the Vaseline starts to break down and becomes a nice velvety smooth texture. So I was saying earlier that fenugreek has loads of benefits. Some of those include its high level of vitamin C, which helps lighten and brighten the skin. It cleanses the skin, exfoliates, and adds moisture. Fenugreek is also great with reducing dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and acne. It can fade stretch marks if that's something that you're into. It has powerful anti-aging properties. Y'all, fenugreek can even help ease arthritis. But the reason why I know you clicked on this video is to hear how does fenugreek help enhance your curves. Well, that's because fenugreek mimics estrogen in your body, resulting in a more feminine figure. So now I'm just going to add a few drops of this vitamin E oil, which helps promote soft, smooth skin. It can also treat eczema. We're almost at the consistency that I want this to be. Alright, time for some essential oils. I'm using dark tea, which helps with fighting blemishes. So I got these new essential oils from Mid's Floor, and these things are so hard to get oil out of. They smell great, but I gotta shake my whole arm off just to get a drop. So now I'm going in with some cherry blossom. This is also going to help us with getting smooth, supple skin. Feel free to use whatever essential oils you want. And now you have your Fenugreek Body Cream. A smooth, rich, nutrient-packed moisturizer for you to massage into your skin every day. And make sure you're actually massaging, because that's going to stimulate the blood flow and give you results. Your skin is going to be soft and even and smooth and glowing. You can use this twice a day on all the areas that you want to improve, and I promise you, your husband is going to notice all of these changes, girl. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below if you tried this. Let me know how it worked for you.